Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert equation and fraction in WPS Office. So if you would like to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and here you can find Equation Settings. We need to click on it, and now you need to select this one option, Insert New Equation. Then you will be able to insert here a fraction, script, radical. Everything depends on your preferences. So for example, I select here fraction, and here we have different type of styles. So I select this one style. And for example, I will insert here 3, and maybe here I will insert 4. Now I click somewhere here, I press space, I press equal sign on my keyboard, I press space, and for example, I'm going to insert here radical. I click on it, and I select this one option, radical with degree. I insert here maybe x, and here maybe 3. So in this way you can easily create equation, fraction and radical in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.